Hey guys, what's happening? How to add a timer to a video in CapCut. Go ahead and open up your browser, and you're gonna use a website called pixbay.com and select for timer or countdown. Alright, so I'm gonna select one of these templates. Let's say this video. So I'm gonna click this video, hit download, and then select the resolution. Right, depends on your phone or PC space. After you download it, you're gonna see right here that download button at the bottom. Then hit download, click the video or the green screen video. Then click sharing at the bottom right, left. Hit save video. I'm gonna save it to your library. Now I'm gonna go ahead to CapCut now. Right. I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Yeah, right here. Excuse me. Right here. And select your project. Click overlay at the bottom middle. Double click to add overlay. Add this video or green screen video. And then simply find the tools right at the bottom. Swipe left to remove BG. Where is it? Yeah, remove BG right here. And then click chroma key. And then move this brush to the green part of this video. Now as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see the countdown. Let's find out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.